Hey everybody, welcome back to another video on the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Edge Beta on Windows 11. So let's get started. Alright, so what we're going to want to do is go to this link right here. I will leave it in the description below. Now, you'll see three options here. We'll see Beta, Dev, and Canary. For this video, we're going to be doing Beta, so we're going to click Download Beta for Windows 10. It'll still work on Windows 11 though. Accept and download. And right here, we can see that it is downloading in the bottom here. And open. We can go ahead and close that. And you click yes. Alright, installation complete. Click close. And then we can go here. Microsoft Edge Beta right here. And there we go, we have successfully installed Microsoft Edge Beta. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, share it with your friends. Until next time, goodbye.